Buying a new car is one of the biggest financial decisions you will make, and choosing the wrong model could leave you with years of frustration, high repair costs, and poor resale value. The market is flooded with options, but some cars stand out for all the wrong reasons. Terrible reliability, weak engines, outdated designs, and cheap interiors. These cars have it all. Here are 4 vehicles you must avoid at all costs if you do not want to throw your hard-earned money into a bottomless pit of regret. Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax might look like a stylish, compact SUV with a great price tag, but cheap comes at a cost, and in this case, that cost is awful reliability, poor resale value, and underwhelming performance. General Motors has a history of cost-cutting, and nowhere is it more obvious than in the Trax's flimsy build and weak powertrain. The 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine produces only 137 horsepower, making it one of the weakest SUVs in its class. The automatic transmission is sluggish, and getting up to highway speeds feels like a chore. Fuel economy is decent, but what good is saving on gas if the car itself is unpleasant to drive? At first glance, the 2025 Trax looks modern, but the build quality is disappointing. Thin body panels, cheap materials, and poor crash test performance make it feel unsafe and fragile compared to rivals like the Honda HR-V or Mazda CX-30. The cabin is filled with hard plastics, basic unsupportive seats, and an outdated infotainment system that feels a decade behind its competitors. Road noise is excessive, and long trips in the Trax can be a miserable experience due to its lack of comfort. While the Trax is affordable, it is also poorly built, underpowered, and uncomfortable. There are far better budget SUVs on the market that do not feel like a rental car on its last legs. But if you think the Trax is bad, wait until you hear about a subcompact car that has remained in production despite being one of the most unreliable models ever. Mitsubishi Mirage. If there is one car that deserves to be discontinued, it is the Mitsubishi Mirage. This tiny, underpowered hatchback is a rolling reminder of how far behind Mitsubishi has fallen. In a world of high-tech, fuel-efficient, and fun-to-drive compact cars, the Mirage feels like a relic from the early 2000s, except with even fewer features. Under the hood, you will find a pathetic 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine producing just 78 horsepower. Yes, you read that correctly. 78 horsepower in 2025. Acceleration is painfully slow, taking over 12 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The CVT transmission is noisy and sluggish, making every drive feel like a struggle. The Mirage's design is as uninspiring as its engine. The tiny wheels, weak frame, and cheap materials make it feel unsafe and outdated. The paper-thin doors and weak crash test ratings mean you are better off in a used car from a decade ago than this so-called new model. Step inside, and it gets even worse. The seats are thin and uncomfortable, the cabin lacks insulation, and the infotainment system feels like an afterthought. On long drives, engine noise is deafening, making every trip feel like a lawnmower ride on the freeway. The Mirage is outdated, dangerously slow, cheaply built, and uncomfortable. There is no logical reason to buy one, especially when the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or even a used Mazda 3 exist. But if you think Mitsubishi is the only brand making horrible cars, think again, because Nissan's Rogue is next on the list. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue has been a top seller in the compact SUV segment for years, but popularity does not always equal quality. The 2025 model suffers from weak performance, questionable reliability, and a frustrating driving experience that makes it one of the worst compact SUVs you can buy. Under the hood, the Rogue is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing 201 horsepower. While that may sound decent, real-world performance tells a different story. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, is one of the worst in the industry, constantly adjusting RPMs in a way that makes acceleration feel unpredictable and sluggish. Merging onto highways or making quick passes? Good luck. Nissan tried to give the Rogue a bold and modern design, and while it may look stylish, the cheap build quality ruins everything. The body panels feel flimsy, The paint quality is not on par with rivals, and durability is a big concern, especially since owners have reported excessive rattling and creaking noises within just a few months of ownership. While Nissan promotes the Rogue as a tech-focused and comfortable SUV, reality tells a different story. Yes, it has a large infotainment screen and available leather seats, but cheap materials and poor craftsmanship are everywhere. The dashboard, center console, and door panels are covered in hard plastics, and the seats, while supportive at first, lack long-term comfort compared to competitors like the Mazda CX-50. But if you think the Rogue is a letdown, wait until you hear about a luxury SUV that fails in every way possible. Cadillac XT4. Cadillac has a long history of making luxury cars, but the XT4 is an embarrassing failure. It tries to compete with true luxury SUVs like the BMW X3 and Audi Q5, yet it feels more like a rebadged Chevrolet Equinox with a higher price tag. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces 235 horsepower, which is respectable for a compact luxury SUV, but the real problem is how it drives. The 9-speed automatic transmission is unrefined, with jerky shifts and delayed throttle response. Handling is soft and uninspiring, making the XT4 one of the least engaging luxury SUVs to drive. At first glance, the XT4 looks premium, with its sharp lines and aggressive front grille, but closer inspection reveals cost-cutting everywhere. The paint quality is inconsistent, panel gaps are noticeable, and the overall build does not scream luxury. The XT4 lacks the solid, high-end feel of competitors like the Mercedes-Benz GLC or Volvo XC60. Step inside, and the XT4 disappoints even more. While Cadillac advertises it as a luxury SUV, the cabin quality is shockingly low for its price. Hard plastics dominate the dash and door panels, the seats feel thin and lack proper cushioning, and the infotainment system is outdated compared to BMW's iDrive or Audi's MMI. With unrefined handling, a cheap-feeling interior, and questionable long-term reliability, it is a hard pass for anyone looking for a premium SUV. Lexus RX. Lexus has built a reputation for reliability and comfort, and the 2025 RX continues that tradition with a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and efficiency. If you want an SUV that delivers premium comfort without luxury brand headaches, the RX is the ultimate choice. Under the hood, you get a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid version takes things up a notch, delivering up to 366 horsepower with all-wheel drive while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The RX glides over the road smoothly, making it one of the best SUVs for long-distance comfort. The bold spindle grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp body lines give the RX a modern and aggressive look. Lexus has fine-tuned its aerodynamics, making this SUV not just stylish, but also fuel-efficient and quiet on highways. Step inside, and you are greeted with high-end materials, plush leather seats, and an intuitive 14-inch infotainment system. The Lexus interface system is smooth and responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system available. Comfort is top-tier, with plenty of legroom, a spacious rear seat, and advanced driver assist features to make every drive stress-free. Lexus RX dominates the luxury SUV market by combining comfort, efficiency, and reliability in a package that outlasts its competition. If you want a stress-free luxury experience, this is the SUV to buy. But what if you want a sedan that is just as reliable and comfortable? Let's check out the next car. Mazda 3. Mazda is not just about making economy cars anymore. The 2025 Mazda 3 proves that you can get premium quality, sporty performance, and high-end tech in an affordable package. If you are looking for one of the best compact sedans money can buy, this is it. You get a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers up to 250 horsepower when using premium fuel. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, and the optional all-wheel drive makes it a perfect year-round performer. The Mazda 3 drives like a luxury car with sharp handling, precise steering, and a refined suspension that makes it more engaging than competitors like the Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic. The Kodo design philosophy gives the Mazda 3 an elegant, sculpted look that feels more premium than many cars twice its price. The sleek LED headlights, signature Mazda grille, and coupe-like roofline make this car a head-turner on the road. Inside, you will find premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an ultra-minimalist design. The infotainment system is clean and intuitive with a 10.25-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Bose premium sound system. The seats are supportive and well bolstered, and sound insulation is excellent, making it feel much more refined than its price tag suggests. The Mazda 3 is the perfect alternative to entry-level luxury sedans, offering a high-quality experience at an affordable price. If you want a stylish, fun-to-drive, and reliable compact sedan, this is the one to get. But if you need something larger and even more luxurious, the next car will definitely impress you. Bentley Continental GT. If money is no object and you want the absolute best in luxury and performance, the 2025 Bentley Continental GT is a dream car that delivers power, prestige, and unparalleled craftsmanship. The Bentley Continental GT is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 producing 542 horsepower. Want more power? The W12 engine delivers a mind-blowing 650 horsepower. This beast can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest grand tourers on the planet. But it is not just about speed. The Continental GT rides like a cloud, thanks to adaptive air suspension and a meticulously tuned chassis. The classic Bentley design, massive grille, and signature round headlights make this one of the most recognizable cars on the road. The sleek, sculpted body lines and luxurious paint finishes make it a rolling work of art. Every detail, from the hand-polished chrome accents to the massive 22-inch wheels, screams exclusivity. Step inside, and you are greeted with handcrafted leather, real wood veneer, and polished metal accents. The Continental GT's infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the dash, and the optional NIM sound system delivers one of the best audio experiences in any car. The seats are individually tailored for ultimate comfort, with ventilation, massage functions, and custom embroidery available. The Bentley Continental GT is not just a car, it is a statement. With its incredible power, handcrafted luxury, and world-class refinement, it is one of the finest vehicles money can buy. Now that we have covered the best cars to buy, let's see what Consumer Reports has to say about these vehicles. After rigorous testing, surveys, and expert analysis, Consumer Reports ranks these three cars among the best for 2025. The Lexus RX continues to be a reliability champion. The Mazda 3 sets the standard for compact sedans, and the Bentley Continental GT remains the ultimate blend of luxury and performance. Each of these cars excels in different areas, but what they all have in common is dependability, driving satisfaction, and cutting-edge features. If you are in the market for a top-tier vehicle, these are the ones to seriously consider. Now that you know which cars to buy and which to avoid, which one is your favorite? Do you think another car deserves a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the latest updates on the hottest cars of 2025 to 26.